Good day everyone. Welcome back to JBSWiki. Today we are kicking off an exciting new series on Azure AI, Microsoft's powerful platform for building AI-powered solutions. In this video, we will start with the basics. What is an AI? What is an Azure AI? What are the real benefits of using AI? How can customers use AI solutions? And finally, a simple case study showing AI in action. Let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables systems to perform tasks like understanding language, recognizing patterns, learning from data, and making decisions. For example, when you ask a virtual assistant a question, or when Netflix recommends you a movie, that's AI in action. At its core, AI uses algorithms and data to mimic human-like thinking, but at speed and scale that's impossible for us to match. Azure AI is Microsoft's cloud-based platform that offers a suite of AI services and tools. It includes services like Azure OpenAI Service for language models, cognitive services like vision, speech, and language APIs, Azure Machine Learning for building, training, and deploying custom ML models. What makes Azure AI powerful is that it brings these advanced capabilities to developers and businesses, all through easy to integrate APIs and cloud infrastructure. Whether you are a data scientist, a developer, or a business analyst, Azure AI has something for you. Using AI in your applications can unlock massive benefits. The first benefit in the list is efficiency, that basically automates repetitive tasks and speed up processes. Second one is accuracy, analyze huge volumes of data with high precision. Personalization, deliver more customized user experiences. Scalability, handle workloads that grow with your business. And because it's on the cloud with Azure, you also get built-in security, high availability, and global scalability. In short, Azure AI empowers organizations to innovate faster and smarter. So, how can businesses or individuals actually use Azure AI solutions? A healthcare startup might use Azure Cognitive Services to extract insights from patient records using natural language processing (NLP). An e-commerce site could use AI models to predict customer churn or recommend products. A call center can use speech to text and sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback in real time. These are plug and play solutions. You don't have to be an AI expert to start. Azure AI makes it accessible and scalable. Let's look at a simple case study. Imagine a small local retail store that wants to understand customer behavior without hiring a data science team. They use Azure Cognitive Services, computer vision to analyze the security camera footage. The AI can detect foot traffic, time spent in different aisle, and peak shopping hours. Based on these insights, the store reorganizes its layouts and adjusts its staffing, leading to improved customer experience and increased sales. All this without writing complex AI code, just by using Azure AI services. And that's a quick introduction to AI and Azure AI. In the upcoming videos, we will break down each of these services with demos, use cases, and best practices. If you're excited to build smarter solutions with AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching JBSWiki. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.